What's this? This is the Fronius Wattpilot Flex Home, the newest evolution in Fronius's EV charging lineup. This builds upon the success of the first generation products, which have now been in the market for over 3 years. Manufactured in Austria, the Wattpilot Flex Home combines 80 years of premium European engineering experience with the high quality components and manufacturing Fronius has perfected over this time. The charger is suitable for single or three-phase supplies and can deliver charging power of up to 32 amp per phase. So this means up to 7.36 kilowatt on single phase or 22 kilowatt on a three-phase supply, subject of course to the car's onboard charger capability. Now, all of the existing first generation Wattpilot functionality has been retained with some pretty significant improvements. So let's start off with what we can actually see. The very first thing you notice is the stylish textured finish and premium look. This will blend in very well to any home or business, old or new. And at just 105 millimeters deep, it's one of the slimmest chargers on the market, making it perfect for tight garage spaces. Additionally, with the new design, there has been a performance increase featuring a full operation window when the ambient temperature is as low as -25 degrees all the way up to 45 degrees Celsius. The IP rating has increased to IP66. This means it's now completely dustproof and it's resistant to high pressure water jets. Whether it's installed in a dusty garage or exposed to Australia's intense summer storms, this level of protection ensures the internal electronics are protected, allowing for a much longer lifespan. And for the installers, there is the ability to bring the cables in through the rear, the bottom, or the top, noting that the top entry is suitable for indoor installations only. Now, unlike the first generation, it now comes with a 6-meter Type 2 charging cable attached as standard, removing the need and cost to purchase a separate cable. There is a smart LED ring that visualizes energy flow. In a fully integrated Fronius system, you'll be able to see if the charging is being powered by the sun, the battery, or the grid. And the little discrete display can also show the charging power and how much energy has been charged over the session or even the lifetime. In the center are 3 touch buttons, allowing you to manually switch between charging modes, and an RFID card reader for applications where authorization is needed, such as a shared charging environment. Fronius provides a couple of RFID tags in the box, with additional tags able to be purchased separately. But what about the things that we can't see? The internal computer has received a significant hardware upgrade. We can see that Fronius is future-proofing the product by creating space for further advanced features and improvements over time. The current charging modes you can set include Standard, Eco, and Next Trip mode. Standard mode charges at your selected power level and is adjustable in precise 1 amp increments. Use Eco mode if you want to primarily use excess solar. And if there is no excess solar, the unit just simply won't charge, ensuring you use 100% green energy. Or you can even use Next Trip mode. Input your next trip details and the charger intelligently balances solar and grid power to ensure you have the range you need for your next trip at the lowest possible cost. You aren't locked into one mode. You can switch via the Solar Wattpilot app or the touch buttons on the front of the unit. And you can also use the scheduler to customize charging. For example, you may want to enable solar-only charging during daylight hours, block charging entirely during the evening peak, and then enable charging from the grid after the evening peak is finished and power is cheaper. The charger supports OCPP 1.6J and dynamic load balancing for an unlimited number of chargers on a single site, making it as capable for a business fleet as it is for a home garage. The charger can connect to a local network via hardwired Ethernet or Wi-Fi. The Wattpilot Flex Home is suitable for both residential and commercial applications, with or without solar. However, where it really does shine is part of a Fronius ecosystem. When paired with the Fronius inverter, smart meter battery, and even an OhmPilot, it delivers clear visibility and control over a site's energy usage. This becomes especially important when an EV is added into the mix, as energy consumption can increase significantly. In my own case, my daily usage doubled, charging around 30 kilowatt hours into my car each night. Now, having clarity around when energy is used and where it's coming from helps enable smarter decisions and greater control over your overall energy use. It can also be paired directly to a Fronius smart meter IP for dynamic load balancing or PV charging applications with a third-party solar system, so you aren't locked into using it with Fronius inverters. Now, something quite unique to the Wattpilot Flex is that it also includes a dedicated ISO 15118 ready communication chip. This emerging standard allows chargers and electric vehicles to digitally communicate, and it's a key building block for future features such as state of charge data exchange, plug and charge authentication, and eventually AC bidirectional charging, including vehicle to home and vehicle to grid. Now, at present, these functions are not yet active. While the Flex already has the required hardware inside, real-world use depends on factors beyond the charger itself, including EV manufacturer support, evolving Australian grid and safety regulations, and future firmware development from Fronius. By choosing the Wattpilot Flex, you're ensuring that the hardware won't be the limiting factor, as these technologies mature and are adopted in Australia over the coming years. It's also worth mentioning that another form of bidirectional charging often discussed is DC bidirectional charging. This is a separate technology path that Fronius is actively developing through other innovative products, which you can read more about at the link in the video description. The Fronius Wattpilot Flex Home represents a significant evolution from the first generation units. As the transition to electric vehicles accelerates in Australia and across the globe, the Flex Home ensures your charging infrastructure remains at the cutting edge. Now, for home and business owners, if you're ready to integrate the Wattpilot Flex into your energy ecosystem, please reach out to your local Fronius installer. And for solar and EV charging professionals, if you're looking to add the Flex Home to your product range, contact Supply Partners today. We're your local authorised Fronius distributor.